All right, Don Chadwell here with Your Home Real Estate, and this is your tip of the day for credit. So we're going through a credit journey together. I work with a great credit repair company, Credit Rescue Now, with Michael Ramos. He is awesome. Give me a call. I'll give you his number if you need help. But I get a lot of my information from him and from our lenders. So right now, during this COVID-19 pandemic, is a great time to get your charge-offs or collections, things like that, settled. So this is specific to the pandemic. After the pandemic is over, I can give you the percentages for regular charge-offs and things like that, but don't let this opportunity pass you by. When you call a creditor, I want you to tell them that you're out of work, you've had medical issues, went through a divorce, whatever it is, you need to pull on their heartstrings, okay? Number one, for credit repos, charge-offs, things like that, you can tell them that you'll settle for 20 to 25% of the total. Right now, they are making deals because no one is paying. Everyone's out of work. 25 million people or something like that are out of work. So make sure you take advantage of this if you can. Also, with credit cards right now, offer 35.5% to 41.5% of the balance. So if you owe $10,000, offer them $3,550 to $4,150 of the $10,000 balance, and they should accept that. So they're taking great deals right now. Don't miss this opportunity. Give me a call, Don Chadwell, 505-306-9448. Going through this credit journey together, helping you get your credit up. So talk to you soon. Bye-bye.